Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what the future of luxury SUVs looks like? Well, get ready because today we're diving into the exciting updates coming to the Mercedes-Benz GLS lineup, including a sneak peek at the powerful AMG GLS 63. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss what's coming next. But before we jump into all the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from us. If you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends who love cars as much as you do. All right, let's get into it. The Mercedes-Benz GLS model has been a staple in the luxury SUV market since it first arrived in 2015, replacing the GL crossover. Fast forward to today, and the third generation of this three-row SUV is still going strong. The current model debuted in the spring of 2019, and just last year, it received its first significant facelift. Now, Mercedes is planning to extend the life cycle of its largest crossovers, including the GLE, GLE Coupe, and of course, the GLS with another update. We've already seen some renderings of the updated flagship SUV, and today, we're going to imagine what its most powerful variant, the AMG GLS 63, might look like. From the spy photos, we can see that while the sample taken doesn't differ too much from the current crossover, there are some noticeable changes, especially with the headlights, which are larger and have been reshaped. We expect the facelift version to come with a completely new front end, featuring a wider radiator grille. And if you're a fan of the AMG version, get ready for those signature vertical slats and contrasting edges that echo the style of Mercedes' latest electric vehicles and the new E-Class. But that's not all. The rear of the SUV is also getting an upgrade. The regular GLS test samples have shown us a new graphic for the LED elements in the taillights, inspired by the new E-Class. While the E-Class had 2 stars on each side, the upcoming GLS will have 3, giving it a unique and stylish look. Under the hood, the current Mercedes-AMG GLS 63 boasts a powerful 4.0-liter M177 turbo petrol engine, delivering an impressive 612 horsepower and 850 Newton-meters of torque. While there's no official word on the future model's technology just yet, there are rumors that the most powerful version might receive a more robust hybrid powertrain. However, it's worth noting that the regular GLS might lose its V8 engine in the upcoming restyling, similar to what we saw with the updated G-Wagon. And for those of you eagerly awaiting the new model, mark your calendars because the premiere is expected in 2026. Oh, and speaking of exciting Mercedes news, just a few weeks ago, the first production Mercedes-Maybach Roadster was unveiled. It seems like Mercedes is really stepping up their game across the board. That's all for today's video. Thanks for sticking around. If you're as excited about the new Mercedes-Benz GLS updates as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. We got plenty more car content coming your way, so stay tuned. See you next time.